This is a usability test for the DirectTV remote control. You will be given a set of instructions. After you complete each instruction, you say complete. Are you ready?
Yes.
We have a dog in the picture. The first instruction is pick up the remote control in whichever hand you feel comfortable.
Complete.
Find the on button.
Complete.
Any problems with that?
No.
Press the on button one time.
Complete.
Did you have any problems with that?
No.
Find the guide button.
Complete.
Did you have any problems with that?
No.
Locate the channel page button.
Complete.
Any problems finding that?
No.
Locate the select button.
Complete.
Any problems with that?
No.
Locate the info button.
Complete.
Any problems with that?
No.
Press the info button one time.
Complete.
Any problems with that?
No.
Press the guide button one time.
Complete.
Any problems with that?
No.
Find the volume button on the remote control.
Complete.
Any problems with that?
No.
Okay, you can set the remote control down. Did you have any problems with the test?
No.
Is the remote control easy to use or hard to use?
It's easy to use.
Okay,